What is up, fellow fescue freaks? Today is March. Pretty sure today's March 24th. And yep, March 24th. It is 12:22. I just wanted to talk to you right quick and say, what happened? What happened to this turf? Why is it so pukey yellow? Things were magnificent a week ago. This is happening to a lot of people at this time of the year. Everything's so healthy, sappy. The plant is full of juice. Things are jumping. And then we hit a cold snap. So I think it was last Monday and Tuesday. Roscoe's still enjoying it. Last Monday and Tuesday, we dropped down into the 20s. So this plant is so healthy, juiced up, ready to rock and roll, spring flush. And then the next thing you know, things start looking like this. What happens is the plant, like I say, is full of sap, full of juice, ready to rock and roll. It's been encouraged to grow by Mowing. I have done 0 fertilizer applications this year. I'm holding back until the spring flush chills out. But topic, what happened here? That freeze blows up the cell walls in that plant, and then that causes it to look like that. And what's really crazy is when it does freeze, how good and dark it'll look, but days after, you end up with this. So what is the fix? Is there any concern? No concern. The fix is mow it. It'll keep growing. You'll mow the top off. Temperatures are hopefully coming back. We'll just keep pushing forward. So, but that is what's wrong here, is it just got zapped. Be back in business in no time. But it does look terrible compared to what it looked like a week ago. There's a spot, let's see, there's a spot of my triv. Hopefully the velocity will get in here soon enough. We'll do some testing. All in all, pretty happy with my ARTIMUSS fall overseed. Things are looking great. Like I say, 0 nitrogen for the year. About to do some stuff. Only going to use 4 inputs all year, other than fungicides and like some cleanup herbicide. But all in all, everything's pretty clean out here. Looks pretty good. All right, hopefully that'll help someone identify why does my yard look like this time of year? What happened? Everything was so great. Golly, look how white this spot is. Just a lot of frost damage, or not really frost, just freeze. Let's see. Look at that bad boy. But we'll come in here. I'm cutting this right now at 3 1/4. I'd love to keep it at 3, but it's so dang thick. I have so much clippings that I can't keep it at 3. I'd love to. 3 1/4 right now. I love it a whole lot better than when I was trying to mow taller and the crap just laid over and got swamp ass and more fungus and more problems. I don't believe in that 4 and 5 inch cut stuff. All right, peace out.